Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down the best MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks to make your trading more efficient. In this video, we are talking about something that can save you a ton of time, which is how to close all trades in MT4 instantly. Okay? If you've ever had multiple trades running and needed to exit the market quickly, you know how frustrating it can be to close each trade one by one. Well, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to close all your trades in just a few clicks, okay? Whether manually, with scripts, or using expert advisors. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let us dive right in. First of all, let's talk about the manual method, okay? If you are in a situation where you need to close all your trades quickly, okay, let me just open a couple of trades on this demo account. Okay, let me just assume that all right. So if you are in a situation where you need to close all your trades quickly, but you don't want to use any scripts or automation, you can do this. When you open your MT4 terminal, you can press Ctrl T. You can see Ctrl T is to bring out your terminal or to remove it. All right. I am pressing Ctrl T. That is the reason why the terminal is coming on and off. So you press Ctrl T, or you can just come right up here, view, and click on terminal. Okay. Then you navigate to the trade tab. When you navigate to the trade tab, you're going to see all your open positions. Then you right click on any trade. Then click close order. If you want to speed this up, keep pressing the shortcut Alt F4. Alt F4. All right. After selecting each trade. Now, while this works, it's not ideal if you have a lot of trades running, okay? This is where scripts and automation come in. Now, let's talk about using an MT4 script to close all trades at once. This method is super useful. All right. And much faster. So when you open your MT4, you go to File, go to Open Data folder. All right. Then you navigate to MQL4 and you go to Scripts. Then you can download a close all trades script online or create one yourself. Okay, so let's just see if we can download the scripts online. Okay, I'm just trying to download the script right now. You can just search for close all scripts MT4. Close all scripts MT4. Close all trades, I mean. Close all trades. Okay, so I am currently on that right now. I am just trying to download it. All right, one of the sites that I usually use is indicators port. Okay, let me just make this visible, right? All right, sorry about that. So I want to see if I can download the close all script. Okay, as you can see, I came to indicators port. You can see it is downloading right now. I'm gonna save it. Yes, I think it's downloading right now. So once it is done downloading, I'm just going to add it to the scripts folder. All right, I'm going to add it. You can see I'm just going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it inside the scripts folder for, in your MT4 library. All right, so ensure that you download the file from a good source. You can try out the indicator spot. Okay, after that you will have to restart your MT4 terminal. Okay, so we're going to have to restart this. We're going to have to close it and we're going to have to open the MT4 terminal again, right? Okay, so here we are. I have opened the MT4 terminal again. So now we have to paste the script into uh the chart. Okay, so you can just open your navigator, all right, and look under scripts. Okay, so when you look under scripts, you're going to see uh close all scripts. You can see it here. So you double click on it, and you confirm the action. So can you see that it has automatically closed the trades? Very easy. All right, very easy. So if you want an even more advanced solution, you can use an expert advisor. Unlike scripts that require manual activation, an EA can be set up to automatically close all trades when certain conditions are met. For example, you can set it to close all positions when your account reaches a certain profit or loss level. So here's how to install and use an EA to close all trades. Just like with scripts, you can just open your MQL4, go to the experts folder in your MT4 directory. If you have an EA, you can just paste it there, and restart your MT4. Then you navigate to the expert advisors section in the navigator panel, and then you just drag and drop your EA onto your chart, and you adjust the settings. All right. So this is perfect for traders who want a hands-off approach to risk management. If you're serious about making your trading workflow more efficient. Using an EA is a must, all right? But if you do not have an EA, or maybe there is no good EA that is, within your budget, or maybe you couldn't find any free EA that is going to give you what you want, then you can just use the manual method of using this close all script. Okay, the close all script is what I'm going to recommend if you do not have yet an EA. All right, it's going to work just fine for you. Okay, so now we've covered the manual method, and running an expert advisor, which will require maybe a level of financial commitment, because of course, good EAs come at a price, right? So if you want uh, to try out using the expert advisor option, then you can also look out for, well, not all EAs are costly. Okay, there are some free EAs that are also good, right? So let it not look as if you must have a financial commitment to get an EA, but I'm just saying that there could be a kind of strategy that you want, and maybe you might be hoping to get an EA that will give you that kind of strategy, and it might come at a price. But if not, you can even try out the Forex Geek free EA. All right, or if you have any other free EA in mind, you can try it out. All right, you can check the description if you want to get the free Forex Geek EA. Okay, now having said that, which method do you prefer? Okay, let me know in the comments, and before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more trading tips and MT4 tutorials. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.